We start this course by examining the linear economy we have today. And from there, the course looks into the future and what we need for a truly circular economy. Module 1 explores where materials come from and builds a rationale for why society needs more circularity. In Module 2, we look at circular business models and showcase a range of ways for business to create economic and social value. In the third module, we introduce you to circular design. We present topics like functional materials and eco-design, methods to assess environmental impacts, and networks for sharing best practice. In Module 4, we address policy context. Here we show where we need help from governments, and we examine how policy can enable the circular economy. The fifth and final module provides insights into circular societies. We look into new norms, forms of engagement, social systems and institutions needed by the circular economy. And we examine how we, as individuals, can help society become more circular. As a whole, this course describes the first steps of a journey towards circularity. The journey will be different for all countries of the world, but we hope that this course will share knowledge so that many more of us can create a pathway forward.